All right, we are completing our 2.5 liter Mercury remanufacturing of the power head, and we thought we'd walk you through syncing and linking the carburetors and what problems can cause if you don't do this correctly. It's a very simple procedure, but if you don't know about it, you can go off in the wrong direction, possibly rebuilding the carburetors when they don't need rebuilding, stuff like that. So basically all two strokes, each cylinder runs individually. So this is a 6-cylinder engine. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one barrel per carburetor to feed each cylinder. And then you got 3 sets of 2, and they're attached with this link arm that attaches all the carburetors together. And you have adjustment screws here. So all the throttle plates have to be in sync. So we'll walk you through how to sync the carburetors. What's going to happen if one's open a little bit more, you're going to get too much air and not enough fuel. It's going to idle horrible. It's going to cough, go cough, cough, cough. Probably stall a lot, things like that. So what you want to do is always sync the carburetors, at least check them. And if you look down here, you can see each plate. You can actually put a screwdriver there, see if they're a little loose. That one is a little loose. See that one? These ones have gaps. That one doesn't. We'll show you why in a moment. So what we're going to have to do is we have to first disconnect a couple of things. You disconnect. This has an arm that goes to the injection. So we want to disconnect that because that can hold it up and not sync the carburetors up. It has a cam and a cam follower here. This is supposed to be against here, but we're just adjusting carburetors right now, and this has to be separate from the cam There has to be a gap there to sync them in correctly. So as you can see, 3 Phillips head screws, and basically all carbureted 2-strokes have a similar situation. See, it's slotted, and what you do is you want to loosen them all up when it's at idle. Loosen, that one's already loose. Loosen. And watch when I loosen this one. Boom. So they are off. I actually did it on purpose. So that one was keeping that carburetor closed, but it was opening the other 2 that never would have idled. So now you just give it some slight pressure on all of them. Take your screw and lightly push on all throttle plates. Make sure they're pushed in and they're locked. There's no movement. Hold it with some light pressure, and then you tighten. Kind of hard to do with the thing flopping all around. You tighten all these up. 1, 2, 3. So if it was lean popping, going cough, 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 and dying, that could really take that away, get rid of that situation. So things you should check first because it's the easiest thing to fix.